Hi Santians, how are you all? I hope you are all staying home, staying comfortable, taking very good care of yourself, isn't it? Yes, even we all are very good. We all are also taking very good care of ourselves. Are you ready for today's learning? Yes? Give me a thumbs up. Show me a thumbs up. Very good. Give me a high five. Yay! Very good. So, let's start. Today we are going to learn the letter H. What are we going to learn? The letter H. First we learn the sound of H. How do we say H? First see and then we will say. How do we say H? Ha. The sound of H is ha. Yes, good. Do it with me. Ha. Great. Ha. Ha. Hand. Ha. Ha. Hair. Ha. Ha. Helicopter. Superb. You know it. Wow. My Santians are champions. Very good.